students. Welcome back to Social Science class. Children, we have completed 3 chapters. The first chapter is Early Human Life. Second chapter is the River Valley Civilizations. Third chapter is In Search of Earth's Secrets. And today we are going to start the 4th chapter. The name of the chapter is Our Government. So, let's begin. Children, do you know what is meant by government? Yes, a government is a group of people that have the power to rule a country according to law. Government of India has 3 branches or divisions. They are legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature makes law. Executive implements law. And judiciary interprets law. Let's see who all are there in each divisions of government. Legislature. President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Executive. President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, Bureaucracy. Judiciary. Supreme Court, High Courts, District Courts, Sub-Courts, Municipal Courts, Magistrate Courts. Okay students, now let's see the first division of our government, that is legislature. The legislature in India is known as the Parliament. It consists of the President and the 2 houses, namely Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house and the Lok Sabha is known as the lower house. Since it has 2 houses, it is known as bicameral legislature. Now let's learn about Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of legislature. Rajya Sabha is known as Council of States. Vice President presides over the sessions. Here, presides means supervise or govern. It is a permanent house. Rajya Sabha consists of 238 elected members and 12 nominated members. These 12 nominated members are appointed by President of India. Next, Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of legislature. Lok Sabha is known as House of Representatives. Speaker presides over the sessions. Members are elected for 5 years. 543 directly elected members by the citizens of India and 2 nominated members. And these 2 nominated members are appointed by the President of India. Now let's see the role of President in Parliament. The President of India is not a member of Parliament, but he is considered as an integral part of the Parliament. President of India performs legislative functions like summoning the sessions of Parliament. Summoning means call the members for meeting. Next, addressing the joint sittings. Third one, approving the bills passed by both houses of the Parliament. Now let's see the functions of Parliament. Legislation is the primary function of the Parliament. Legislation means making law. To make a law, the approval of both houses of Parliament is required. Here both houses means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are symbols separately for legislation. Now let's see what is a bill. A law in draft form is known as a bill. Here, draft means written form of law. Let's see the legislation process of Parliament. An ordinary bill can be introduced in either house of the Parliament. The house which considers the bill first is called First House. The house which considers the bill second is called Second House. For example, Rajya Sabha considers the bill first, then the Rajya Sabha will be First House and Lok Sabha will be the Second House. In both the houses, the bill passes through different stages. Let us examine the various stages of passing a bill. First reading. The bill is introduced. Second reading. Each and every article included in the bill is either passed, changed or rejected after discussion. Third reading. The bill as a whole is passed or rejected. After passing the law in the first house, it is sent to the second house along with the certificate of the presiding officer. The presiding officer in the Lok Sabha will be the Speaker, and in Rajya Sabha, the presiding officer will be the Vice President. After that, the bill passes once again through the above mentioned 3 stages in the second house. After the bill is passed by both the houses, it is sent to the President for approval. On getting the approval of the President, the bill becomes a law. In case, if there is a different opinion between 2 houses on a bill, a joint sitting of both houses of the Parliament is summoned and a decision is taken. It is the President who summons the joint sitting of the Parliament, which is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Hope you all understood what we learned today. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the topics. Study well. Thank you.